Hi there everyone, welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to add auto caption in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, drag down your audio or video clip into the timeline like this. Then on the upper side you will see text option right over here. Just select the text option, and then on the left side you will see auto caption. Just tap on that, and then you need to select the language you are speaking in the video. So in my case this is English. If you are just talking in different language, you can select language from here. There are lots of language available here, so you can select that from here, but I will go with the English. Then just simply tap on the generate to generate the caption for you. So as you can see, we got our caption. If we just play the video back, so as you can see, we got the text right in front of yours. So you can simply go with that. Rather than that, it's easy. So if you just go with the captions, you can go, and also you can use the different templates that are being used. So if you just go here, select any of the caption, then go with the templates option right over here, and as you can see, there are lots of text option or text template available, so you can select any of them and enjoy it. Like if you just select this option, like I'm selecting this, as you can see, let's just again zoom in. As you can see, it's looking extremely nice, guys. You can also change the font size, like real big or small. You can also do that, and you can also change the font size and fonts from here, and also many more text effect from here, and lots of things you can do. Just play with it and you will be good to go. So let's just see the caption. So as you can see, it is looking lots better. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if you want more tutorials like this, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.